Mark, I'd like to thank you for coming to this technical seminar. We really appreciate your presence. Sodick for Protecnic is the most important product we distribute. We've been with you guys since 2006, and we really thank for your presence. Sodick for us is still almost 50% of our sales. With Sodick and EDM, we have become number one in EDM. We sell between 30 to 40 units per year. Makes us the number one EDM supplier for Mexico. There's nobody close to us in that aspect. I want to thank Sodick for that. Their technology, linear drive systems, ceramic, all that stuff that comes with precision, no backlash, nothing like that exists in the machines. We really are thankful for having this product. And thank you, Mark. We want to thank you for your presence.
Alfredo, absolutely thrilled to be here. I mean, this is a great event that you put on. You can see how important and how engaged you are with the Mexican manufacturing community. The turnout here is excellent. I also want to tell you that the relationship with Protecnic and Sodick, you do a fantastic job. One of the things that I think is a hallmark is being close to the customer in that relationship, understanding their needs, and you deliver on that all the time. We can have a great quality machine tool like we do with the Sodick machines, but understanding what the customer needs, being there, supporting them through the sale process, after the sales process, and being part of that partner to them in the manufacturing process. Protecnic is number one in my eyes on that side, and I think a big part of our success and our partnership going forward on that.
Thank you, Mark. I want to expand a little bit on that. I think in the future, if Mexico is going to continue to grow, which it will, because we have advantages that the U.S. doesn't have in labor and cost and all that, I think more work can come to Mexico from other countries like China and stuff. I think we should become more competitive in Mexico versus China and all those countries. Why do I say that? Because the technology is similar in China as here, it's everywhere, but how can we support it? And I think Sodick has trained us well on their products, and we do a great job in supporting their products. That's where we start off with a 24-month warranty. We look it up to 3 years, and maybe more. We're willing to negotiate that to give our customers the support that they need. Technology-wise, there's no questions. I think Sodick is number one in any aspect of technology. They're number one. They're leaders in the world. So thank you. Thank you.
And again, I agree with you. What your comments on that? Mexico's ability and capabilities for manufacturing, their capacity for it. You see the influx of what's going on. The geopolitical climate has brought a lot of manufacturing to Mexico. I see a really bright future for both Protecnic and Sodick going forward into the many years to come. You and I have witnessed it. We see manufacturing popping up left and right in the different states in Mexico, and you're well positioned here to meet that. I think the combination, you mentioned also the influx of Asian companies. Some of those companies that are coming here know Sodick from their Asian roots on that side, and then you're in touch with the workforce, you know the managers, you know the companies in which they come from on that, they know you. I think it's a recipe for success going forward.
Thank you. Anyway, again, I think there's still a lot to do in the future. Competitors will always be there, and I think the advantage with Sodick, we're always on the edge as far as developments. Every year we have new models. There's faster speeds, more precision, better surface finishes. Everybody, I think that's where Sodick continues to grow every year, and we're happy to have them because it makes our job easier to sell. And also service-wise, I don't see another company that can support service as well as Sodick with spare parts, with all the information that's needed, drawings, electrical, diagrams, all that. We have all that locally to be able to support the machine the best we can, and I think that's what made us number one in Mexico. So I hope we continue to grow that.
Alfredo, you know that, so you and I are on the same mindset on that. You know, it's not just about the sale of the machine, it's about how we support the customer after that sale and make them successul. If we make the customer successful and they're happy with us, they look forward to doing business with us in the future. We grow together on that side of it.
Thank you. And having said this, we're going to be at IMTS again. I'm going to take Mexican customers to see technology at IMTS. and hopefully we'll get a chance to, if you guys are interested in going to Chicago or everything, please get in contact with us, and we'll try to make that possible. It's good to know IMTS is a big show in Chicago, and seeing not only Sodick, there's other suppliers that you guys can enjoy. Hopefully you guys get in contact with Protecnic, and we'll try to make that happen to visit Chicago at IMTS. It's in September, and hopefully we'll see you all there. Thank you.
Great. Alfredo, I got to congratulate you on a great event today, and looking forward to seeing you at IMTS too.
Thank you.
All right.